Presenting a pre-owned 2002 Lexus SC 430 V8. This two-door convertible has an 8-cylinder, 4.3-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 105,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free CARFAX vehicle history report. Key features include automatic climate control, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, anti-lock brakes, stability control, traction control, CD changer, navigation system, power windows, power door locks, and leather seats.